Hilti Nuron D200022 Cordless Jackhammer. 22-volt cordless jackhammer for breaking up concrete and other demolition work on the Hilti Nuron battery platform. 22 pounds lighter and much slimmer than comparable battery-powered jackhammers. The T200022 is ideal for medium-scale and controlled demolition jobs where handling, tool control, and mobility are most important for productivity. Demolish half a ton of concrete per charge on one pair of Nuron B22-255 batteries. Skil Tools PWRCORE 12. This cordless detail sander packs big power into a compact design with a digital brushless motor that delivers up to 12,000 OPM. The compact, transparent design of its integrated dust box improves balance, visibility, and maneuverability while avoiding contact with the battery, and it can be easily emptied without tools. MW1000 Mobile Workshop. The mobile workshop is easy to use and easy to transport, thanks to its ergonomic design and low weight. In just a few steps, the compact unit assembles to become a stable workstation with direct access to your tools. Its flexible worktop can be extended for use with larger workpiece. Outstanding transportation up and down steps thanks to the large wheels, which are fully rubber-lined and shock-resistant. The table is slotted into the back of the trolley for easy transportation. It has fold-away legs that can be unfolded, and it's immediately ready for use. A stable worktop comprising a perforated top and aluminum profile offers flexible clamping and attachment options. PX Tubing and Coir UC1 by Malco Tools. The PX Tubing and Coir UC1 for use with hydronic and floor radiant heating layouts and for running potable tubing is compact, fast to set up, and allows for easy dispensing. The UC1 accommodates all types of PX tubing, 1,000 feet of 3/8 to 1/2. The heavy-duty turntable supports a full coil of PX. The eyelet loop opens for easy feeding or removal of tuning from the Uncoiler unit. The rotating eyelet arm allows the tubing to be pulled off in any direction. Factory-adjusted tension prevents backlash and the spreading of the tubing coil off the turntable. Woodpecker's newest one-time tool takes a century-old machinist's tool and updates it for use in the modern woodworker's shop. For around 100 years, machinists have relied on a device similar to our new angle depth gauge to measure small holes and grooves. We took the fundamental design and used woodworker-friendly graduations, machined a notch at the end of the rule for parallel scribing, and carefully milled the groove in the head so it always returns the rule perfectly square after using it at an angle. Use it to measure the depth of grooves and holes, to lay out angles, as a small T-square for parallel scribing, and as an accurate, compact rule. Stake Snake 10 Stake Puller. RUITOOL Japanese handsaw. The handsaw blade is made of SK5 high-carbon steel and is famous for its hardness and wear resistance. The blade has good toughness, a hardened edge, and sharp cutting. The Japanese pole saw has teeth on both sides. One side of a Japanese handsaw is 17 TPI for cutting hardwood, and the other side is 11 TPI for cutting soft wood. After quenching and hardening, the three sides of the grinding teeth become sharper and more wear-resistant. The wood saw cuts faster, is smoother, and has a narrow blade. Non-slip black plastic handle with the pattern. The handle is firm and not easy to loosen, which is not only comfortable to grasp, but also time-saving and labor-saving. Malco Adjustable Siding Gauge SGA. The new Malco adjustable siding gauge SGA aids one-person installation of most commercially available lap siding, including fiber cement and LP smart siding. The adjustable clamping ensures 5/16 to 1/2 material thicknesses may be firmly held in place, while the adjustable reveal ensures the siding is properly positioned. Your team will have the right tool for the job at hand. The ergonomic design ensures comfort while quickly hanging siding all day long. 2 gauges are included and support full 16-length lap siding for fast one-person installation. MIKEDE Strong Rare Earth Magnets Bars. The neodymium magnet bars feature a solid, sturdy, shiny epoxy-plated, ensuring a smooth, non-scratching surface that is corrosion-resistant, premium quality, and long-lasting. Our strong magnets are made of the strongest magnetic material, which is bound to meet your demands. Strong holding power. Holding power is not less than 18 pounds per magnet with direct touch and direct pull. In this set, there are 12 adhesive double-sided stickers and powerful rare earth bar magnets. You can not only use these magnets on metallic items, also on non-metallic items. This set of rare earth magnet features competitively and cost the most effective price is the best choice. Hilti Concrete Sensors. At Hilti, they strive to continually improve job site safety and productivity with their newest innovations, including solutions that provide more accurate real-time information about your job site concrete, helping you make faster and better decisions. They understand the challenges of monitoring the curing of in-field concrete with traditional concrete maturity meters or cylinders, and Hilti wireless HCS concrete sensors along with their free mobile app are the smart, convenient solution that makes keeping track of your concrete's temperature and maturity easier than ever. FESTOOL Base Plate 0 degree for trimmers. Designed for straight routing in the horizontal configuration, fine adjustment allows precise trimming of edge banding. Thank you for watching this video on Top Tech Tools. Remember to like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.